Well, Martin Luther King Jr. Day is on Monday. As an annual tribute to his work, more than 200 lawyers around the state will be giving legal assistance. Ruth DeWitt, Executive Director of the Volunteer Lawyer Program of Northeast Indiana, is here to explain more about Talk to a Lawyer Day. Ruth, thanks so much for coming in.
Thank you, Gina. We are doing Talk to a Lawyer Day, and this is the 14th annual for the state of Indiana. And as you said, it isn't a tribute to Dr. Martin Luther King, who stood for civil justice. So this is a very important program that allows people in the community, mostly people who otherwise might not have access to civil justice, and to be able to talk to a lawyer, to be able to come out and do that for free.
Wow. And talk a little bit about the topics that can they ask any type of question? Talk a little bit about how much time will these folks have with a lawyer?
The attorney. As I mentioned, this is a consultation, and it is advice only. It's not representation, but they will spend 10 to 15 minutes with each person that comes. Almost any legal topic you can think of will be ones that they might come with, or ones that people have questions about. Bankruptcy, family law, divorce, custody. There's all kinds of things. Maybe even a grandparent might think, you know, don't I have some rights? Or someone might be owed some money and think, you know, what are my options? How can I get paid? Or maybe they have a landlord-tenant problem where their pipes are freezing and no one's doing anything about it. And having that advice from an attorney telling them what to do on the next step is really invaluable.
About how many people do you've been doing it for several years now, expect to see come out tomorrow? Well,
it varies. This will be my first year with the program doing this, but as I said, their 14th year in Northeast Indiana, and they range anywhere from 100 to 200, sometimes a little bit more, depending on the call-ins, because we take the call-ins as well as the walk-ins at the Allen County Public Library.
Okay. Well, thank you so much for coming. I appreciate it. Very important information for our folks. And if you're interested in talking with a lawyer, the program is tomorrow, January 19th. In Allen County, you can go to the main branch of the public library from 9 to 5. There are also locations in Steuben, Huntington, and Grant counties. You can find the list of those locations on Wayne.com after the show, or you can call the numbers on your screen there between 9 to 5 tomorrow. Jesse will have the forecast next, and we'll talk about some events going on around town today. Stay with us.